In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow AI to create stunning websites quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, Webflow's AI tools can significantly streamline your design process. Let's dive straight into the steps and make sure you're clear and confident in using this fantastic tool. First things first, you'll want to log into your Webflow account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and sign up. It's pretty straightforward. Once logged in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic begins. It's worth getting familiar with this layout because you'll be spending a lot of time here managing your projects. After you're in the dashboard, look for a button that says Plus New Site. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll start a new project, and the beauty of starting fresh is being able to truly customize your design from the ground up, especially with the AI features Webflow offers. Next, you'll see an option called AI Site Builder. Select this feature, and you'll be taken into a realm where AI assists you in creating a site that fits your goals and preferences. This is one of the highlights of using Webflow AI, the ability to leverage artificial intelligence to fast-track design layouts and functionalities while still having full creative control. The AI Site Builder is designed to make your life easier by suggesting design patterns, optimizing layouts, and ensuring your site is responsive across different devices. Now that you've got your base template set up via the AI, it's time to customize it to fit your specific brand or aesthetic needs. You can tweak everything from fonts to color schemes, spacing, and content placement. This step allows you to imprint your personal style or adhere to brand guidelines while still benefiting from AI-generated structure. Remember, this is where you can exercise your creative flair, so feel free to experiment with different elements until you find the perfect look and feel. Once satisfied with the design and functionality, it's time for the final and very exciting step: publishing your site. By clicking the Publish button, your newly created site will go live on the web for the world to see. Webflow makes sure that your site is optimized for both desktop and mobile views, so you can rest assured it will look fantastic on any device. And there you have it, a complete guide to using Webflow AI in just a few minutes. With these steps, you've harnessed the power of AI to create a beautiful, functional website. Make sure to explore more of Webflow's features and continuously update your site to keep it fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.